If you are teaching beginning readers or readers that are having difficulty, you need to focus on segmenting and blending. This resource includes cool puzzles and no-prep worksheets to make it easy, engaging, and fun. Using these puzzles is easy.
Hug, up. Fox, duck, ox, jet. F, ah, x, k, duck, j, t, jet. Phonemic awareness at its best. If you want to do phonics, then you would have to add the letters. K, E, key.
Using bingo dabbers makes it way fun for the students. When students write the letters for the sounds that they hear, it makes this resource way more effective and adds a little phonics. This resource is a must for all beginning readers. I hope you check it out at my store, Debora Marines. Teach magically.